Many people like to make up their minds regarding Dharma practice. However, these people haven't been swimming in the ocean of Dharma for long, so although they might know a little bit of Buddhist teachings, they are still far away from reaching the state of the Guru. Therefore, we should avoid being judgmental toward the Guru and their teachings. Neither should we bargain with the Guru. As long as the Guru is a qualified teacher, they will definitely care about the success of your practice. Therefore, please practice according to the Guru's advice. In contrast, if you only follow your own gut feeling or conceptual thoughts, thinking the Guru is not right, I'd better practice something else, it means you have already established the path of practice for yourself. Then, why bother following the Guru? This is like a patient who receives a prescription from the doctor but thinks, this is not right, I'd better take another medicine.